Have you ever needed to communicate between Webview and your Flutter application? For example, in my Flutter app, the entire content here is HTML and rendered through Webview. Now, when I click on the HTML button, it will trigger Flutter bottom sheet. In this video, I will show you how you can make communication between Webview with your Flutter application. We will be using Flutter InAppWebView package because this package utilizes JavaScript Handler to facilitate communication between your Flutter application and the JavaScript running within the InAppWebView. This mechanism allows you to expose that function to the WebView, enabling JavaScript to call this function and receive results, and vice versa. So in your HTML, you need to create a call handler with a unique name. You can also pass in parameters. Now in Flutter app, to communicate with this handler, we need to add JavaScript handler using InAppWebView controller. Make sure you pass in the same handler name, and in the callback is where you triggered Flutter code such as show bottom sheet in this video. In conclusion, this is how you communicate between InAppWebView with Flutter application. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.